Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV. So yesterday we pulled up the jacks and hooked up the Cougar and left our summer spot up here in Campbell River. We decided to head over to a little town called Lund over on the Sunshine Coast here. And to get over there we had to actually take a ferry across the water. So in this video I'm going to give you a look at the ferry trip. We'll give you some footage loading and unloading the fifth wheel, and some footage from on deck and in the terminal over here. We had to go to a terminal in Comox. It's about an hour and a half ferry trip. We lucked out and it was pretty well a dead calm day. Temperatures were around 20, 22 Celsius, somewhere in the low 70s, very little wind, so it's just spectacular scenery. So I just grabbed the video camera and took some footage on deck. The trip costs us, we're 45 foot long, so with taxes and reservation fee included, it was $200 to get the whole RV across here. So it's about the same going to Vancouver, maybe a little bit more costly going to Vancouver, and same if we go from Victoria to Port Angeles. I think it's about more like $250 or $275 for that trip. Anyway, there's some decent footage there. We were actually headed up to a little town called Lund here, so you'll have maybe a future video from there. Anyway, let's get to it, and for those that like to see some spectacular coastal footage, you'll like this video. So here we are, Comox Ferry Terminal. I think it's called Little River. I'll show you the map of our voyage. So we came down from Campbell River up there, about a half-hour drive. We're right here near Courtney Comox on the island. We're going to take this ferry. It's going to be about an hour and a half trip over to Powell River. And then we're going to get off and drive up to Lund, where we're going to stay for a few weeks. Explore around there. You can see above that is famous Desolation Sound Marine Park. So here's our ferry we're going to take across Powell River. Salish Orca. It's got some really cool native art on the side. Front part opens up. Nope. Gotta get back to the car. Nice little beach right beside the ferry terminal.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.
There we go, we're on our way. Interesting ferry, there's a giant door that opens at the back, and then the floor opens and these go up, and then cars shoot underneath lower height vehicles. Then they close down the floor and they load the bigger vehicles in. They kind of come in and then you go up a little hill. See the cougar right there. Wow, we got a spectacular day for a crossing. September 6th, day after Labor Day. Favorite time of year on the west coast here. Still has some warm summer days, but everybody's gone back to school and work. Tourists are gone, kind of shoulder season is starting now. Let's give you a 360. We're in the middle of the crossing right now.
friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save you time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.